Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change font to Times New Roman 12 point in Microsoft Word. So I'm using Microsoft Word mobile version right now, and I want to show you how to change font to Times New Roman or other font that you like in a Microsoft Word mobile. So if you don't have it, you can try to download via Play Store. It's free. You can search MS Word. Here we go. You can install Microsoft Word Edit Document by Microsoft Corporation. But you have to remember, you need to sign in into Microsoft account first in order to enjoy full service of Microsoft Word. Now after you download and install, you can open it. Here, after you sign in into your Microsoft account, you can tap on your document. Then you can try to tap edit, and you can try to tap on fonts. You can tap this arrow at the corner in order to change the font. Here you can tap this Aptos or font option. Try to search New Times Roman manually. So you need to download the New Times Roman, sorry, but usually Times New Roman is default on your app. You can tap it, and this is the font size. By default it will be 12, but you can try to increase up to 72, and the minimum is 8. So once again, in order to change your fonts, you can tap this arrow at your corner, and here you can tap Times New Roman or Themes font. Here you can try to search your favorite fonts, for example Arial Narrow or Arial Black, and change the size in here. There is 8, 9 and up to 72. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.